Hey you, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to clean the contacts from these old flashes. This old flash transmitter. So what happened? So when you leave your electronics for too long and you leave the battery in there, sometimes they tend to so that's exactly what happened. Now the flash that you see here, the Godox, this one's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. Actually there weren't any batteries in here, so it's fine. But the problem was when I opened up the transmitter, one of the batteries, so when I opened it up, so there's a problem. The battery and corroded inside the contact. So you can, I already cleaned most of it out, but there's still some left on there, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to clean that based on other videos that I saw. It's a very important thing because I need this for my Sony camera in order to fire the flash. And then recently I was given this flash here, and when I open it up, let's take a look. Let me show you. Same thing, you know. So let me show you real quickly. As you can see, it's corroded inside. Same problem. I'm going to show you some close-up pictures of it right now. But I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to take you to the process. And from what I've seen so far, what they talked about on the videos is to use distilled white vinegar. That's what they're saying to use. So I'm going to give this a shot. Obviously, I don't think it matters what the name brand is. It's just as long as it's distilled white vinegar. So we're going to give it a shot, and we're going to jump into the video, and then I'll show you the results and see how well this all cleans up, and hopefully I'll be able to use my transmitter again. So right now it's not working because of all that crud that's inside. All right, let's go to the video in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so here we are. We're going to first do the transmitter, get that one going. So what we want is to use a toothbrush first, just to get some of that stuff out. So a toothbrush that you're not going to use ever again. And we'll start off there, try to get some of that stuff off. We already got our vinegar in the container right here. And put this off to the side. Alright, so let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to brush everything away first before we get into putting the vinegar on there. So just try to get as much as you can with the toothbrush. Okay, next we're going to take cotton swab. We're going to apply just a little bit of the vinegar. As you can see, it's removed quite a lot of it already, which is a lot better than it was before. I'll use this brush to try to get some of it out. As you can see, it's removed a lot of the corrosion's now gone. See it pretty clearly right there. It's removed quite a lot of it already. Take a good look right there. So it's working pretty well. So let's keep going with it. So now take a look at it now. Definitely a lot cleaner. It's removed a lot of that stuff already. I'm gonna take another swab, just a clean one, without just go in there a little bit and clean it up just a little bit more. But I think it's done the trick really, really well. And then next we'll see how well it works. But we're gonna move on to the flash next, and we'll do the flash and see how that turns out. But I think this worked out really, really well. Okay guys, next is up Canon lens. This one's a little bit more worse off than the receiver. I'm gonna show you. Take a look. Yeah, it's pretty bad, so you can see in there. So let's first try the brush and try to get some of that stuff out with the brush first. Okay, let's take a look. See what it looks like now. So it's okay. Could do much better than this. So I'm gonna try like a different brush and try to get in there and try to clean that out as best I can. Use vinegar. Get the cotton swab in there. Like this. Put a little bit of that in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep going with this. Now do a little bit more work on it. But yeah, so this method works for cleaning your devices. I just want to tell you that if your flashlight, if you ever come across a flashlight and it's got a battery exploded, it's got corrosion, you can use the same method. Use the vinegar, cotton swab, and it'll clean it out. All right, we're gonna go to the results right now, and I'm gonna keep going with this one, but we're gonna jump through the power video and show you the ending of this. All right. Okay guys, here are the final results. And first we're going to take a look at the transmitter that we cleaned. So I got my flash ready to go to test it out. I put fresh batteries in here. Let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. Oh, as you can see, it's working properly. After cleaning it, let it dry overnight. But yep, there it is. Alright, our flash is on. Let's test it out. Let's test it one more time and see how it works. So there you go. Alright, now let's turn this off and let's check the Canon Flash and see how how that worked out. The second thing we cleaned out was this Canon Flash. Alright, so let's turn it on. Got fresh batteries in there. Let's have a look. So I'm going to turn it on right there. Then you can hear it's already firing up. Let's give it a test. There you go. See, it's working just fine. It's lighting up. Alright guys, so that's it. So that'll work. Remember, use vinegar, brush the stuff out, let it dry for a few hours, and then you'll be ready to go. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful to you. Let me know if you used this method before, and you can use it with other electronic contacts that have rusted out or the battery exploded, like a flashlight. You can use it on that, or electronic toys. Just give it a shot, clean it out. So there it is, guys. It's working perfectly. Both the Canon and the Godox transmitter that I cleaned out, both of them are working perfectly. No need to throw them out. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.